let's unbox this. See what's come inside, man. Yeah, jig 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 jig, jig boom. So it's so heavy, 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 heavy. 1 minute. ठीक, हाँ, माउथ ओपन. अरे यार, मैं तो इसको फाड़ रहा था, तो कुछ और निकला. So heavy tight plasticing, packing. Let's see what's there. Oh, it's a bill. That's also good. Wow, there's a company name. Wow. Add functional. गजब. आहा, मजा आ गया. Tick 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 ding 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 ding. How it's open? Yeah, chick chick boom. No, there's no pouch. Okay. Wow, let me see this. There is no pouch come with it. It's a company name logo. They're showing Fastrack. Boom. Chick 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 chick. Wow. It's a brand new sunglasses. I'm too excited for this as it was in awesome lightish color. Let me first of all remove this thin sheets of plastic paper. That's a complete. It's a first look. Thanks a lot for this out. It's a very sexy product. I really love this. Wow, amazing. मजा आ गया. I'm so happy for this as it's a very awesome product यार. मजा आ गया.